I'm not certain if exciting is the word that everyone would use, but election time is kind of always exciting, from the TV ads to candidates saying the darndest things to the fashion, as we'll see later on in the show. Right now, let's take a look at just a few of the many unforgettable moments in our political history. Let's hit the rewind button.
Since Jamaica's first election in 1944, there have been a ton of unforgettable moments in our nation's political history, some serious and some on the lighter side. Today, we look at just a few. Who can forget 2006, when Portia Simpson Miller made history by becoming the first female head of government in the nation? Sister P replaced PJ Patterson after serving the PNP for more than 25 years. 2013 was the year that the JLP's Darrell Vaz took on the PNP's Damian Crawford in a sound clash. The two faced off at the famous nightclub in Portmore in a friendly rivalry that embodied political unity. In case you were wondering, Crawford was the winner. If you were around for the 1980 general election, you probably haven't forgotten it. That election was marked by over 800 murders in a bitter fight influenced by ideology. PNP candidate of St. Andrew East Rural Roy McGann and his policeman bodyguard Acting Corporal Errol White were killed in a politically motivated gunfight just a day before nominations opened that year. Who can forget the time Lisa Hanna posted a bikini picture on her social media page and set the world on fire? Though Hannah's post had no political motivation at all, many argued for and against its appropriateness, with even Father Holong offering his opinion in a strongly worded newspaper op-ed. A more recent moment came this year when many Jamaicans were surprised by the news that Juliet Holness, wife of opposition leader Andrew Holness, would be throwing her own hat into the political ring. Mrs. Holness takes on Imani Duncan Price, but the Holnesses aren't the first couple to run for office. Sir Alexander and Lady Bustamante, Madame Rose and Arthur Leon, and Dr. Paul Robertson and Carleen Curlew Robertson were all couples that ran. In a country of colorful people and politicians, we're sure to have many more moments in the coming years.